Okay, so a really important thing here is to realise that this is a ratio question, and it's the ratio between the doll in the photo and the doll in real life. This doll in the photo is 4.5 centimetres, and we know that she is 13.5 centimetres in real life. So our ratio is 4.5 to 13.5. Now we can simplify that. So 4.5 is the height of the doll in the picture, and the real doll is 13.5. We want to simplify that to 1 to something, a ratio of 1 to something. Well, it's a ratio of 1 to 3 because 13.5 divided by 4.5 is 3. And it's a bit like reducing a fraction down. That will give us the lowest form of the ratio, 1 to 3. Now if we know the ratio of the dolls is 1 in the picture and 3 in real life, then we can take the smallest doll, 3.2, and multiply 3.2 by 3 to find out how tall she will be in real life. So the ratio of the smallest doll will be 3.2 to 9.6, and therefore the answer is 9.6 centimetres.